Hello everyone. Welcome to TrackHr. In this video we will learn how to add subordinates or team member in TrackHr app. Open TrackHr app in your phone. You will come to the home screen. After this, click on the three dots on the top left of the app, which will open the dashboard. Now click on the QR code icon on the right side of the profile picture. After this, TrackHr will generate QR code on the screen. We will now ask the subordinates to scan this QR code. For this, subordinates have to download TrackHr app in their phone. After adding name and OTP, they will come to the TrackHr welcome screen. Now they have to click on Join a Business and scan the manager's QR with their phone. After this, subordinates will add all the details in the app which will come for approvals in manager's account. For approve, we will come to approval list like this and click on subordinates button. By doing this, we will say the list of pending subordinates details which we can accept or reject. As soon as you accept, subordinate will be added under you in the app and subordinate will also be able to log in into TrackHr app. After approving the subordinate, we can also see our newly added subordinates with life status in the organization hierarchy. To go to the hierarchy screen, click on three dots again and scroll down, then click on hierarchy button. On this screen, we are able to see complete organization chart on which we can zoom and see each and every person in the organization with life status with colors. In these few simple steps, we can add subordinates in TrackHr app.